President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulo ong baka Congress kan yo nong kambun ha ke election jit nong mikman siyang dorbar thawan ka jilla Meghalaya House nam arja pulai namar ki wei ki sangsan perthai ki badon ha ka sarkar MDA ki ladon ha padang ka jingïakynad ka bojur ka wei ya ka wei pat kumjuh ru wat hapo ki parti jongki Ulaang baka Congress kan penyang kertong na barok ki Hindu Pautli ki constituency ha ka jilla bat haduk menta kala yo haduk san penyongot ki kertong ki badan bha ha kalenti ban job.
All the 60 seats will contest. All the 60. As of now, we are short only 3 seats out of 60. We have got 57 candidates, but hopefully we should fill all the 60s. All the 60 candidates and the parties are more or less fresh. The mandate will be different like other years which has gone. So I think even in the NPP, in the BJP, the infighting in the NPP, the infighting amongst the MDA partners, you have seen the infighting in the UDP. The UDP, their own UDP demanded the minister should step down, like the Home Minister should step down. And then if you see in all the parties, the infighting is so high. And the Congress, the infighting was over and then we have rebuilt our party. So I think with those in consideration, I think we should not say that no party will get an absolute majority. If you see in many of the states, for example like Punjab, no people expected that the Aam Aadmi will get a single majority. If you see in Delhi municipal election, but sometimes man proposes, God disposes. I still believe that hard work, honesty, and positioning of the candidate are very important. So as of now, we are doing our best to position our candidate, the best candidate whichever we can give to the public. That being a president, being an MP, of course, I cannot concentrate on my constituency. It's not fair to me to leave others and concentrate only in my constituency. But I am confident people knows me and my workers are there. Even in election, in MP election and others, it doesn't depend on the candidate alone, it depends on the workers. I'm very fortunate I have got good people on the ground who works for me. And I'm going today, so from here I'll stay there for 2 days. And then again I'll go to West Casiles, I'll stay there for a day, then I'll come back and go to Kyrwoh. So I keep on traveling, but I'm very confident I should win.
Halor ki jingïakynad ki baka Congress kan terwa sau pai ba ka jalla uba pala ulo kedo baka jing kedo kam kedo jam jong ki khon samla ka jing hiar ha ka yo ka kot ki linti singkien ka jing khon persa ya ki drugs nalor ki wei pat ki ndei ki mat ki ba khmat e.
Definitely the issues will be, we have almost all the departments. For example, unemployment will be, we are preparing our papers how to solve the unemployment. We are preparing papers how to solve the traffic issues of Shillong, and we are also looking towards the finances of the state. As of now, the state is in a very bad position financially. So if you look into health is one of the biggest issue where we see Meghalaya is always down. Education is one of the biggest issue where Meghalaya used to always be the top. But for the last 5 years, this has come down. And about all, I think the social works here and there we have to also to look. Farmers is a big issue. You see farmers, I've been traveling from village to village. The people have become very poor now. More or less, if you see in the village, people has nothing because whatever saving they had during the COVID, they have finished it. And instead of the government is helping them, rather the government is looting them on the way, and there's no help from the government. Even in sports, Meghalaya used to do well, but now in sports we have come down. So in all respects, if you see in connectivity, road connectivity, if you travel in the highways now, you will not feel that you are traveling the highways. The roads are so bad. So all this will be taking into consideration, and drug issue is one of the main issues. I've been traveling in so many areas. The drug addicts are so high, but we don't have the addiction center and all. So that also is one of the issues. So lots of issues we are going to take up and think we'll take up one by one and we'll plan accordingly.
Halor ka jing sngap jar ka Congress uba pala ulo ang ka Congress kala jingïakynad ya ki mat kum ka jing persa ban bu casino ka jing khayi do yong bi an bat ki wei pat ki ba ka Congress kamjuh shem ya ki mat jingïakynad ki ba ibiet ban jingïakynad. Ulai ro ru ya All India Trinamool Congress kabla ra ya ki mat jingïakynad ki ba bun ki ba kata ya ki pat ba.
Every party they have their own strategy. For example, you cannot say that Congress keeps silence. when this government enacted the law on gambling, it is in this share also we raised it, we protested that they have to withdraw it, and others also participated. So we don't take silly issues, but drugs issues. This for us was taken, and now the government starts arresting coal issues. The Congress was taking it, and against all the gates in the national highway, because we have taken, and now you see most of the gates are being closed. So it is not that we kept silence, but we don't talk nonsense, Congress. We talk when it's required. So I do appreciate the Trinamool also, and they raise certain issues. I don't say that they don't raise certain issues, and definitely Trinamool is a party where Dr. Mukul Sangma, Bachals or veteran leaders, definitely they may be there. And we are taking issues. You may not, we are not very active in social media because we decide that we'll have a proper social media and a proper time. So we have given a training to them. First we have to equip them rooms, and when we do, we'll do. So I agree with you, we are slightly lacking in social media, but we'll be okay for that. We have all our boys trained, and today actually the final day of training. So office, we have got it ready. Infrastructures will come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Hopefully we'll do well.